Have you ever had your kid call you out? Well, I did. I have. And it has, totally shifted everything. So, welcome to AJ's Infusions Essential Wellness Podcast with Jenny Story, your host. And today I have someone special. We are switching things up today. We are not doing any scripts. This is real and raw. And my special guest today, we are going to call him Real Talk. And of course, have to throw in a little disclaimer. So this, of course, is for educational and inspirational purposes only and is not medical advice.
Mom, can I ask you something? Why do you always look tired in the morning, even when you say you're rested?
Wow. I was not ready for that. And not in a bad way, but in a real way. And I feel like I'm constantly on the go and getting everything ready. And the recent, not too long ago past, I was doing everything for everyone. And now it's just, getting everything ready, making sure I have my lunch, have everything ready for the day. I try to get stuff ready the night before. Sometimes I don't. And, also meditating and praying. And I still feel heavy at times.
You always tell other people to breathe, to take care of themselves, but sometimes I don't see you do that for you. You can't laugh.
You're totally I can't even talk. Totally right. I have my affirmations going. I have my tea, and sometimes I'm just not present. My nervous system is what is that? Flight or fight mode?
Fight or flight.
Fight or flight.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. And then it's not until I get my lip butter scrub and it really lets me take a breath for me.
So what does that scrub really do? Because it's not like you're just putting on chapstick.
So exactly, it's not a balm and it's not a lip gloss. It's a ritual. And it lets me know that I matter. And it has, of course, the lavender, the peppermint, and the frankincense in it. And they don't just smell nice, they speak to your nervous system. The lavender whispers to release, the peppermint gets you ready in a gentle way, and the frankincense, bruh, it's grounding. It makes me feel it makes me feel that I'm back to me.
Yeah, that sounded natural. Frankincense, bro.
Yeah, bruh.
So you're saying this little scrub changes how your day feels?
Yes, because it's not just about softening our lips, it's about like softening our life. So we forget that, healing doesn't have to be loud. It can be in our pause, it can be in our breath, and it's that quiet moment before the day even starts. And that just like 30 seconds reminds me that I don't have to like earn my rest. I don't have to wait until I crash, and I can choose to reset. So, if you're listening to this or watching this, maybe you need that reminder too. Maybe you're the nurse or the mom or the teacher that's always holding everyone else together. And maybe it's time that you take a minute and hold yourself. So that's why I created the lip ritual. It's more than lip care, it's a sacred reset. And now every lip scrub comes with the free glow guide. It's a personal blueprint on how to, create those quiet, healing, intentional moments. So you can shop the ritual at AJ's EO Infusions. You can join the free Essence Lounge to stay up to date with everything. And, I don't have all the answers, but I am working on and learning to listen, even if it comes from someone who's, only like 21 years old, 22, excuse me, just had a birthday, 22.
You're glowing, Mom. I see it now.
That's the ritual, baby. Thanks for joining us this week on the Essential Wellness Podcast. You've just listened to AJ's EO Infusions, your host, Janice Story, with my son, Real Talk. Make sure to follow us on all platforms at AJ's EO Infusions. And until next time, infuse your day with a pause and peace and positivity and productivity.
Bruh.